Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, 𝕠𝕟𝕚𝕪. So today I'm just going to do two keto meals today. The first one is going to be Southwest salmon with I'm going to make broccoli, cauliflower rice with it. I'm gonna make a couple of little pieces of shrimp. This is so easy to make. This seasoning, you guys, I'm telling you, I can eat this seasoning all day. So that's why I'm still cooking with this. Now you guys know I normally take the skin off of my salmon, but I'm gonna put a little bit extra oil in the pan, that way it can kind of just slip off once I'm finished cooking it, and I don't have to struggle to get it off, you know, right before I'm cooking it. I don't have to struggle to take it off now. I can take it off once I'm done cooking it, because it'll slide right off. If you put just a little teeny bit of extra oil, it'll slide right off. And I need the oil for the vegetables anyway. So the first meal is sort of going to be my intake on a poke bowl without it being chopped up, and it's not going to be raw, of course. Clearly it's not going to be raw. But anyway, let's get on into this video. Okay, you guys, so this is the seasoning I was talking about, the Southwest 7 pepper seasoning. This is the seasoning that I put on the salmon. And I'm going to use lemon pepper for the cauliflower rice to give it a different taste, like to add a little twang to it. But that's it. So with this bowl, you guys, you don't have to put any seasoning on the broccoli because you have all of these different flavors with the salmon, the shrimp, the lemon pepper cauliflower. So the broccoli don't need no seasoning because once you mix it in, it's going to be a whole mouthful of flavor. All right, you guys, so this is meal number 2. This is just going to be some lemon pepper chicken breast, and I am just going to throw it inside of a pita bread. I'm going to kind of fold it like a quesadilla, but the pita bread is only 6 net carbs.
Late nights, been a long flight, stayed on strange time. It's a strange time in my life. I took a drive to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close. So baby, just go ghost. Now baby, just go ghost. Hey. You called, I let you in and 4 walls. Kept our secrets hidden, eating fruit so forbidden. Kept our secrets safe, cause the temptation, it felt like pure relation. I gave you my attention, but now it's hard to mention. I don't feel a spark when you say my name. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close, so baby, just go ghost. Now baby, just go ghost.
So you guys, this was an easy, quick keto meals, and the crazy part is I didn't even plan to only eat 15 grams of carbs today. That's just how it worked out. Because these meals were so filling, I didn't have a craving for a snack. I didn't have a craving for anything, like nothing sweet, nothing salty. These were so filling, and it lasted me all day. Alright, you guys, this is going to be the end of this video. I thank you guys for sharing this space with me. I thank you for joining me, and I thank you for watching.